Okay, we are now finally in the snippet to show you weak supervision. We have already prepared our heuristics. I added another lookup list based labeling function, which is not as great as our first one, but we're still going to add it to our weak supervision run. To do exactly that, we need to select the heuristics we want to include. In this case, we'll just select every heuristic. Afterward, we're going to press the purple Weak Supervision button, and this will start the integration. Great, we have just created denoised and automated labels. So what just happened? Well, our heuristics don't have to be perfect, and they will overlap and of course also create conflicts. But that's not a problem. In weak supervision, some voting mechanism will look into how your heuristics perform and tries to denoise your labels from imperfect heuristics. Let's jump into the overview section to see how well we perform right now. First, we see that we labeled quite a large amount of our data programmatically now. That is really great. Our label distribution now also contains green bars, which represent the weakly supervised label distribution. This way we can compare whether our label distributions are somewhat aligned. Next, we can further look into the confusion matrix to see where we have known mismatches in our data. Those are instances we can further look into using our data browser, which I will cover in the next snippet. We see that our automation already works quite nicely. Still, we can continue to improve that. With our different types of heuristics, we have multiple options which we can pursue to achieve better data quality. One would be to improve our active learning by labeling more data manually, but we could of course also try to improve our heuristics. This is now data debugging. In the next snippet, we're going to look into the data browser in more detail.